Okay, so good day, sir. As a continuation of Ayla Marie's Elombas report, I am Juna B. Razonado, and I will be reporting the number 19 problem. So we have here a random sample of 11 vouchers is taken from a corporate expense account. So the voucher amounts are as follows. We have 276.72, 194.17, 259.83, 249.45, 201.43, 237.66, 199.28, 211.49, 240.16, 261.10, and lastly 226.21. Now it says here na i-compute na to ang range, interquartile range, the variance, and lastly, the standard deviation. So, I have here for computing our range, naka-arrange na niyo siya from lowest to greatest. So, we have the 194.17 as our lowest amount in this data set, followed by 199.28, 201.43, 211.49, 226.21, 237.66, 240.16, 249.45, 259.83, 261.10, and lastly, the greatest amount of this data set, 276.72. Now, ang ato ang buhaton, ato ang i-minus ang lowest o ang greatest in order for us to get the range. So, 276.72 minus 194.17, and that brings us to 82.55 dollars. So, this is our range. Okay, so remember, in order for us to get the range, you have to order first the data set from lowest to greatest, and then you find the lowest amount and the greatest amount, and then i-minus din mo siya, and then ang answer ana, muna ang ato ang range. So now, let's move to the interquartile range. See right here, ano siya, interquartile range. So now, in order for us to get the interquartile range, we have to find first the centermost of this data set, or ang median niya, ang pinakatunga. So I have here, okay, so ato man dyan ko ang first quartile is the 25% of the data set, ang second quartile 50% sa data set, and then the third quartile 75%. So ang gipangita kay kuan man first quartile o third quartile. So what we're going to do now is we have to solve first the median for us to get the 25% and the 75% of the data set. So ano siya, oh. So n equals 11 man sila kabuo, and then 11. So 75%, first quartile sa ta. Okay, 25% is equal to 0.25%. So, atuan ni silang i-times 11 times 0.25. So, we have here 11 equals, n equals 11. Muna sila kabuok. Ang sample sizes. And then, interquartile range is equal to times 0.25% because we are finding the first quartile. So, ang first quartile na to kay 25% man. So, ato siyang i-convert into 0.25% equals 11 times 0.25 is equal to 2.75. Now, this is our answer. kani atuan ni siyang i-round off which makes us sige 3 siya. So na. Ano siya nigawas. So karon kay 3 may nigawas ato sang pangitaon kung unsay katulo nila. So starting here we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 201.43 and that is our first quartile. Now let's compute the third quartile. So as we all know, 75%, i-convert na to siya into decimal equals 0.75%. Again, 11 is equal to, n is equal to 11, which is the sample sizes of, these are sample sizes. And then, interquartile range is equal to 11 times 0.75, okay, is equal to 8.25. Now, karon bisan pag wala na siya kaabot og kanang wala siya kaabot og 5 pataas, i-round off gihapon nato siya because naaman siya decimal dire. So, atong answer is 9. So, pariha ganiya earlier ang atong gibuhat diba katuluman equals to 201.43 atong first quartile. So now, let's kuan kanang count from here para mo abot sa 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is our third quartile for this data set. So we have 201.43 as our first quartile and then 259.83 as our third quartile. Now what we're going to do now is atuan silang i-minus na pod. So we have here 201.43 minus 259.83. Okay. So, siya i-compute din ha. Mag-use na lang taog calculator. Okay. So, remember our first quartile, which is the 201.43, and then our third quartile, 259.83. Now, ato silang i-minus 259.83 minus 201.43 is equal to 58.4. So, let's bring us to $58.4 as our interquartile range. Now, so let's move to the variance. So in order for us to identify the variance of the data set is we have to determine first the mean of the data. So, saan na ito pagkuha sa mean? So, in order for us to get the mean again is we have to sum this all sample sizes 194.17 taman diri sa 237.66 and then ang iya ang answer i-divide nato kung pila ka buok ning dataset. So, ang mugawas dayon is we have 232.5. Mao ni siya ang answer gikan sa gi-plus nato siya tanan, divide kung pila sila ka buok. And then ang 232.5, most ni ato siyang gamiton dayon to find the difference of each value. So ato siyang kuan gamitan og kaning mean which is the 237.66. So ang atong buhaton 194.17 minus 232.5. Then until i-continue nimo na siya taman di sa 237.66 dayon ang atong buhaton is i-square dayon nato ang answer gikan sa ato ang gi-minus na 232.5 dayon i-calculate din nato ang kanang answer sa ato ang gi-squared squared by dividing kung pila sila kabuo then i-minus din nato tong kuan sample sizes of 1 kay nganong in ay 11 minus 1, it's because partial pa man siya. So, ang answer ani niya is kuan. We have 791.987. Oh, mali na ni siya ato ang kuan. Variance. So kani karon lastly ang ato ang kuan kay i-compute man pod nato ang standard deviation which is ang pinakalas nato ang i-compute. So sa pag-compute og standard deviation, ato ara ni siyang i-0. So 791.987 equal to 28.128. Lawan. Ngunit sa ang ato ang standard deviation. And that's it.